Hey, what's up guys? This is Rapid Fills here, and today I'm bringing you another video. First of all, I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own due diligence. Anything I say in my videos, social media, post, chat, anywhere, it's just for educational purposes only, and it's just my opinion. So go and seek professional opinion, and know that most of day traders lose money on a daily basis, and don't ever trade or invest money that you don't or cannot lose. In other words, don't gamble your rent money. That being said, let's talk about top. What a day! What a day on this thing. Uh, Stock currently is up. Let's see. So intraday it went 258% all the way up to 24. After hours it went to over 1,000% up to $85. Because 25 wasn't enough. Uh, so this thing kind of had some volume in the pre-market. I wasn't really watching this at all until it got to the point where it started holding up, holding up, holding up, holding up. And I was like, all right, let's see what's going to happen, right? Holds down. This is the classic short setup, right? Holds up, and then holds down. Everybody piles down, then takes their profit. And then you got the classic, another short right there, which is closing the gap short. So you can see it kind of gapped into it, and then it came down, closed that, came back to support. Once it takes this high, now the stock is telling me it's trending up. Let's review. What does that mean? That means stock goes up, puts a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Until this pattern breaks, I have no interest in shorting the stock. So where are my important lines? That's the next point, right? So I broke. So now I'm extending this line to the right to see what's going to happen. Once it breaks, I'll try and then locate the short and kind of try to short. Above this, I'm not touching it short. If I have a good spot where I can, yeah, everybody calls and texts while I'm doing a video right now. So if I have a good spot for a long, I'll go for that. However, this would have been a great one. Why? Because one, we topped off here, we bounced here, we kind of tried to bounce, and then as soon as we touched it, you can see kind of, let me zoom in. You can see it's like a doji, so like it got bought back up. So now I have a confirmation this is a support, and then I have some volume coming in at the break of the trend. So I could have scalped this, however, I did not. Just an FYI. And then it kind of went sideways, started breaking again all the way, and I left it alone. This is like, it's behaving like very weird. I don't want to get in trouble. It's skipping dollars. People blow up on this, so I didn't want to really trade it. Anyways, it tried to come in again here and find support. So if anybody was short towards the day and is looking for the 15 snap, right? What happens? They're going to pile in as it gets closer here because it looks like it's getting weak, and then all of a sudden starts holding. If it triggers their stop, what is their stop? Obviously, it's a domino effect. So you have some people will stop out here, some people will stop out at 20, some people will stop out at the higher day, right? So you can see this thing just skipped after hours. Everybody's piled in. Now it's skipping stuff, stops, and it's just ripping and ripping and ripping. So I was watching this all the way until it hit. Where was I watching? I think I started watching this somewhere around here, and I started getting interested. I was like, if this is gonna keep going here, I'm gonna be looking at the 100. And anyways, it starts like ripping and moving. I didn't really touch it up until this zone right here. So I saw the hard rejection here, This thing was ripping really fast on volume. You can see the volume. You can see how the candle are stretched. So comparing to everything else. So what this told me, it might be coming to an end. That run. So it kisses 85, pulls back, and then the next candle just dumps. Based on the level 2, based on the time and sales, based on the price action, I thought this is a very good spot to start shorting into it. And then from there, I'll short. I'll wait and see if we can get towards the 80 for an ad. And then I want to take this back to 60 or so. Which was where this run started, pretty much. That's what I'm looking at. So what happened is I took some shorts. This thing kind of went sideways, and then it looked like it wants to go 80 touches, and it didn't fill me on the pop. So I thought, all right, I'll see if I can add. However, it was holding this 77. It was something weird was happening with the 77 mark on the level 2. And I just did not want to add around here because this could hold and pop, and now I have like a better spot to actually add before it comes down. Anyways, this thing just dumps, and I just waited for this to come down towards the 65, watching the level 2. I started covering, and I just pretty much called it a trade on it. So if I go and bring my chart, I included all the action here from the day, just to be transparent. I didn't really trade it throughout the day. However, this is what I said. I traded it. I got in, covered towards that 60 mark. You can see right here, and I just called it a day. So that is top on the day. However, I had few trades on Tesla. Intraday, like at the end of the day, I was just scalping left and right on this. If you guys were in chat, I traded like almost 300, actually over 300, looking at my account right now, over 300 tickets. That is. So anyways, I hope you guys had a good day. And again, I'm not a financial advisor. If you like the videos, hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment, tell me what do you think about this content that I've been putting out. And yeah, other than that, take it easy, guys. Peace.